Welcome! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with Famous AI. We'll create your very first web application step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to famous.ai. If you already have an account, click on Login. If you're new, just click Sign Up and create your free account. It only takes a minute to get started. Once inside the dashboard, click on Create Application. You can choose a template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, let's select the Web Application option. Next, give your app a name and basic details. You can also add a short description for organization. Now you'll see different configuration options. These include app behavior, user settings, and integrations. Don't worry, the default settings work perfectly to begin with. You can always come back later to customize your app. When ready, click Preview to see your app in action. Test how it looks and functions before you publish it. If everything works, click Save to lock in your progress. Finally, click Publish when you are satisfied. Famous AI will generate a live link you can share. And just like that, you built your first AI-powered web application. And that's it! You now know how to get started with Famous AI. Launch your own web app in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, like, share, or subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.